Hi everyone. So I will make this video to talk about our class because I have students who email me and they are confusing about how our class is working. So I will record this video to show you how you will use the class uh, and how you will start what you are doing. Okay, so give me 1 minute to start. Okay, so first of all, go to the homepage of your canvas, choose the class, your class. So for example, this one, click on it. Okay, so here is our class right now. At the beginning, we have some general information about the class, about your instructor. Okay, so here, for example, the course overview, it will show you the syllabus, what we will cover in this class. So it's just some general information. This icon here, it is about your teacher, okay, about your instructor, how you will contact me, okay. I already have the office hours set up from 12 to 1 p.m. Monday to Thursday, okay. So anytime you have an issue, if you have any problem or you need help, you can join me during that time. Then you will start with the learning module. In the learning module, we have module 0. Module 0, it is also some introduction to your class about your book, about what's required from you, and what I expecting from you. Just if you need, for example, need help, what you're gonna do, if you need internet service, laptop, computer. So all these information you can find it here. So the module 0, it is just the introduction. We have two important things here in module 0. The first one, it is introduce yourself in part 2. This is required, excuse me, this is required from everyone. Just introduce yourself for us, okay? It is just a discussion between you and the other students. So you will just introduce yourself. You can read it here, the goal, the post, what you will do. If you will not participate in this one, I have the right to drop you from the class, okay? So you need to participate in this discussion to introduce yourself. So it is nothing from our material, okay? It is just simply to introduce yourself to the class, okay? Give a feedback. And by the way, if you don't know how to answer or how to do that, just click on replay, okay? And you can type whatever it is. For example, I will answer everyone here. Okay. Hi, everyone, and welcome all to our chem100 class. So, and then you will go down, post your place. That's it. You're done. Okay. Of course, you have to tell us about yourself. And this is just, for example, okay, I'm doing like an example, simple example for you. Now you're done with this one, go back to the module. Okay, the second important part in module 0, it is the registration for chem101 app. Here we have the instruction, how you will register for chem101 app. Okay, read the instruction, what's required from you. It is too easy. Then you will click here in chem101 and you will load it. It will take you to the page of chem101 and you will register there. Use your college email, please, guys, okay? Of course, here it took me directly to the chem101 app page because I already registered, but for you, you will register first, set account, then you will be able to be in this page. When you will be in this page, for doing the homework, finding what's required from you for the homework, you will click on HW, homework, and you will see chapter 2, measurement homework. If you need to do the quiz, you will click on a quiz and you will look for the chapter 2 quiz, okay, which is this one, Okay, so I have also students. Let's see if they need help. So, and we can continue with this video. Hey, Roxy. Do you hear me, Roxy?
Yes.
Hey,
Good
how are you
afternoon.
doing? Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Question for you.
Okay, welcome. Okay.
Yes.
By
Are you
the
our
way,
chemistry?
I'm registering. Okay, I'm recording a video. Okay, how to start with our class. Is that fine with you, or do you want me to stop the recording? It's up to you.
Oh, that's fine with me, doctor. If you have a class going on, go ahead.
No. I don't have a class right now. Okay, so I'm just recording myself, showing to everyone how you will start with the class. Okay, how you will start with the assignment. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay, I see. I
yeah,
see.
go ahead. Go ahead. What's your
Oh,
question?
oh, my question was on the chem100 app. I
Uh-huh.
logged in there like you told me to, and I checked out the blocks on how to post your information down, and it's not easy, doctor.
Which one are you talking about? The registration?
No, okay. So first of all, it's new for me to use the app. Okay, I'm completely new to the whole system, so I'm learning like you're teaching me. But what I'm having difficulty is how to punch in the problems in the conversion factors, like posting from the bottom of the screen of the blue and the red. So I had to get a tutor to help me to show me how to do that.
Okay, look at here. Can you share me your screen?
Yes. Let me get back to that here.
Okay, yeah.
If I'm interrupting your lecture, I'll come back
No,
later.
it is fine. I will post this also. I will record. If you are fine with the recording, I will record this. So the students also will learn from your question also. Is that okay?
Yeah, I was expecting to have 50 or 30 people right now here online. So I'm like, I'm going to join the class.
Ah,
So,
okay. You are joining a class right now?
yeah, no, you. I was saying,
Oh,
oh, he's expecting you to be there at 12.
Yeah. I don't have a class right now. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me get that for you because I just had to restart my entire computer. Took me
Okay.
45 minutes. Okay, so we have measurements homework.
Okay, I will stop sharing and you can start sharing with me your screen and tell me.
I will.
Yeah.
Let me go log into my account here first.
Take your time. Take your time.
By the way, it's a pleasure talking to you for the first time.
Pleasure to talk to you, Zoo.
You came highly recommended by your tutors.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Hopefully you will enjoy the class.
Oh, I am, because you go on your own pace and you learn by yourself than a group.
Yeah, hopefully you will learn
Okay.
a lot of this class. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so here we are. So I'll bring up an example.
Okay.
An example here. Let's see, number 17.
Do you know how to share the screen with me?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm going to share my screen so everybody else can see too.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so here's an example. I just got done with this problem here around 11-ish.
Okay.
I was going to come up to you, but Zoom has so many connection problems. So anyways, here's the problem we did my tutor and I. Everything I did it on paper because I'm used to writing everything down on a piece of paper, step by step, a density. So we're working on density here. So in this example, what I had the problem is how to post all your starting amount in this information. You see, I don't know if you can see my arrow, by the way, Dr. Shikali.
Uh-huh.
Can you see my arrow?
Okay. Yeah.
Under these arrows are blank. Everything was blank here. So I had to ask my tutor, how do I punch in all my numbers correctly into this?
Okay.
And I kept.
Okay, Roxy, do you see the number down here, 3.5, 0.1001, 2.58, the 10 to power 3, the 2.58 times 10 to power 3, all these numbers at the unit, the gram, the mil, the cubic centimeter in the down. Yeah, so you will click, you will choose this number or the unit from there and you will post it.
Okay. That's the thing. It's really, really tricky for me because it's the first time, so I didn't
I know.
know how to
The
use
first
it
time-
right.
Yeah, I know. But as you know, like our class is online and we don't have another option. Like this is
I know. I know.
a good option. And believe me, like when you will learn how to use it, it will be useful for you. Okay.
Okay.
But show me like a question that you haven't start with it and we can start with it together. Do you have
Okay,
any?
I'll show you another question, Brent, a new one that I haven't done yet.
Okay, cool.
So since we're here, because I was gonna also ask you, since I have this opportunity about our quizzes are in this app, is it gonna be the same formation? You have to plug in, punch in,
Yes.
like I showed you here. So we'll pick one here, for example, number 11. We'll pick
Okay.
number 11.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, here's an example photo I showed you yesterday through Yahoo.
Uh-huh.
I had to go up to Arthur from the math department. He says, try clicking, punching in the answer, and then submit. So I did, and it worked out fine. So
Okay.
go ahead, doctor.
Yeah. So for example, here, you don't need to show all your works. You will just put your final answer in this question.
Okay.
Okay. So for this one, how you will do it?
Convert 27.6 kilometers to centimeters.
Uh-huh.
Kilos, centimeters, okay, kilos are 1,000, centimeters 100.
Yeah. Each kilometer, 1,000 meter, and each meter, 100
Mhm.
centimeter. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So do your calculation with a piece of paper, okay?
Okay.
And tell me what it's gonna be.
Okay. Let me do it here quickly.
Now, be careful with the significant rule. Did you read the rule of significant figure?
Yes, I have the old, what do you call, blocks or plates from Dr. Fisher's class.
Okay, okay.
So convert, so I'm gonna have to go back and check out my notes on that, by the way. Convert,
Take your time.
convert, convert. So we're going to be doing a conversion factor on this. That's what we're going to be doing. So kilometers to centimeters. So centimeters is 100. Kilometers is 1,000.
Roxy, I have another student. Is that okay to let him?
That's all right.
Yeah, let's see if he has an issue or different. Okay. Okay,
I'll stop
cool.
sharing.
No, it's fine. You are fine, I think.
Okay.
Let me. Oh, she just left. Okay, keep going. Sorry.
Okay. Sorry. So we have 27.6 as a convert to kilos to centimeters. So kilometers are 1,000 and centimeters are 100. So I go my calculator, 27.6 times 1,000 times 100.
Correct.
So now I have in my calculator, I can show you my screen, but again, I don't know if that's okay or not. 276,000,40.
Okay. 40. Sorry. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Now, how you will put your answer here?
Okay. So now I have to move my decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2.76.
2.76. Okay.
I don't need to show my work like you said. Okay.
Yeah. Just keep going. Okay. Then.
Okay. So now we go.
Are you trying to do it like a scientific notation? Don't submit it. Okay. So, okay. You said like 2.76 centimeter it will be?
2.76 centimeters because your decimal point is on your right, so you have to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. 2.76 times 10 to the power 6.
Okay, 10 to power 6. Okay, keep going. Okay, where is the 10 to power 6? You didn't put it.
That's the thing. I don't know where to click here to do that.
Okay, on the right side, do you see the times? This one.
Oh, I gotcha. I gotcha.
You got, okay. As I
So
said,
this-
like when you will learn the program, it will be easy for you. So don't worry. Okay.
I gotcha, doctor. So
Okay.
this is the way you do it.
Okay. Now,
this.
just one more question before submitting.
Sure.
Is it according to the significant figure 2.76 correct, or do we need to change it?
2.76. Okay.
Okay. Now, how many significant figure we have in a 27.6 in your question, in your start?
1, 2, 3, right here.
3 significant figure. So your answer in the conversion, your answer supposed to be also 3 significant figure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you are right, 2.76. Keep going.
Okay, so we got 2.76 times 10 to the power 6. If you imagine the zeros.
Yeah.
Now we need to submit.
Submit it.
Problem. Submit it.
Okay.
So we click here. By the way, I had another question before I submit anything.
Yeah.
What's with the C? What does it do?
It will zero the numbers. It will it started from the beginning.
Okay, that's what I want to know.
Yeah.
Another question I had, what if you want to put a plus here in the future for other chapters, for example? Multiply.
What do you mean plus? You mean for the significant, sorry, for the exponential number, for the 6?
As we get to the other chapters, we'll have more variety choices and putting more symbols, the division sign, multiplication.
Yes. Yeah, you will have that option.
Okay.
Now for this one, for the number 6 in the exponential,
yeah.
Let's say, for example, your answer was -6. How you will put? You will.
I see what you're saying. I see yours. When you go right, when you go right, it's negative. When you go left, it's positive.
Yes.
That's how I would visualize it, and that's how I explain to my peers on the essay.
Cool.
So we can now submit this problem because we know it's 2.76 times 10 to the power 6.
Okay.
There we go. Correct.
Correct.
Voila.
You see? Good job.
And that's exactly how it should be done, conversion factor. Except I didn't do this, doctor. I did it in my head without even doing a paper because I have all this refresh in my mind from my last semester.
Yeah. You can do it like in a paper in your mind. Okay, so it's fine. Okay.
So I'm working to improve that. All right, so that's what I want to know as an example, how to use this calculator and how to use the copy and paste from the.
Okay, do you want to go back and took another example to use the number that they give it to us? Just go to another question.
Another question. Okay.
Yeah. Let's see. For example, in 13, let's try. No, 13 is the person. Okay. Okay. Let's try 14, for example.
14. Yeah.
I just want to question. They give you some. Okay, that's the perfect one. Okay. Now, tell me. Read the question. Tell me how you will start and how you will type the numbers. How you
will. I'll read the question first, doctor.
Yes.
The person loses 2.70 lb in 2 weeks.
Which is mean
what
power.
They lose in 2 weeks. Yeah. How many grams did they lose?
Okay.
We want to find out how much they lose. The grams.
In a gram unit. Okay, correct. So, how you will start this one?
Okay. We start with the starting amount. And we're going to use the number that's given to the known factor, the known number, 2.70.
Okay. How you will write it down?
Okay, like he taught me, my tutor, John Martin. He says, grab from here.
Correct. correct. So
And
it's
you
like,
copy and paste it like that.
yep, that's it.
Okay.
And the unit,
The unit is the symbol, the unit.
uh-huh,
So we go down here. Can
okay,
barely see that.
correct.
LB.
Yep,
Okay.
okay.
But we're not done yet.
Yes,
We're
of
not. We
course.
haven't even done the conversion factor.
Yeah.
So we have to. How many grams did they lose? So we have to. It's not going to be density and mass and volume. We know that. It's not going to be that.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be another. It's going to be a conversion factor, but I don't remember the.
Each 1 pound, how many grams? Each 1 pound. Do you know?
1 pound is. I just did that. 1 pound.
It is 453.6 grams. Each 1 pound.
153.6.
Equal 453.6. Okay.
Blue.
Okay.
Okay, but I have to also put something else on my denominator here.
Of course, which is the 1 pound.
The invisible one.
Yes. Okay. Now,
Okay.
don't forget the unit. You still have 2 boxes empty.
The red.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to do like the guy on the YouTube channel did. The optional or, I call it, because you can flip the numbers around. Let's see. LB. So LB. So think. Grams. How many grams did he find? So we're going to use the grams.
Mm-hmm.
Carefully. 61. We said pounds and grams. So pounds and grams are the same or not the same?
Okay. Now, Roxy, we said each 1 pound equal 453.6 grams. So the gram will go to the 453.6 grams.
The numerator.
Numerator, correct.
Okay.
Because we said 1 pound equal 453.6 grams. So it will be 1 with the pound and 453.6 with the gram. That's how you will set it up.
And the denominator is going to be LB.
LB, correct.
How I knew that and how I came up to that conclusion is because, if you look on your left, the 2.70 LB is giving us already that. So we cross them out.
Okay, correct. Cool. Now,
but we're not done yet.
Of course. How you will get your answer?
Do we still need to get the answers? I have to add a new box.
Why?
To answer the question?
No, look to the answer with the rectangle. The third one. No, I'm talking about the bottom. The choice is in the bottom. Okay, the third one. Answer.
Oh, answer.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying. So that would be
now
for
do the math in your calculator. Do the math in your calculator and tell me what it's gonna be. Don't forget your significant figure.
Symbol. Okay, multiply that. 2.70 times 453.6. I get 1224.72.
Okay, I'm not sure about your number. You did the calculation. Okay, put it there.
Okay, it's not coming out the same as here.
What did you get? What the number you get?
1,200. Let's see how I can put it. I got 1224.72. 1224.72. It's not the same.
Okay, now just 1 minute. What did you get? 12?
24.72.
24.72?
Yeah,
are you sure of that?
24.72.
Okay,
I'll
now,
do it again, doctor.
okay, do it again.
2.70 times 153.6 equals, I get 1224.72.
Okay,
Nah, still
can you
didn't
write
come out
it
right.
down? Okay, just look to the number and tell me how you will write it down.
Okay. Mm. Yeah. All right. I'll put it down.
Okay, look to the number that you have it. Look at here, Roxy. Look to
Yeah.
the choices they give it to you. I told you, don't forget the significant figure rule in your calculation.
Mhm.
This is now the, I think it's a 1224. Is that
24.72.
okay? Correct. Now, is this is correct significant figure for our answer?
Okay. No.
No. What's the correct answer according or following the rule of significant figure? What is supposed to be?
Rounding.
Rounding. Correct.
Rounding. We're gonna round to 4.7
Uh-huh.
because if you look at this is the way I do it, doctor. Not so everybody else can hear this too. The way I do is I imagine my head scale from 40 to 50, 4.0 to 5.0. Now imagine a 4.5, 4.6, 4.7. 4.7 is closer to 5.0 because it's closer to 50 on your right. So if that's the case, it would be
Okay. No, look at here. First of all, okay. The 5 actually it's a little bit confusing. Some people they round it up, some they leave it like this, some they round it down. Okay, but look to the number here that you have it in the boxes, that the choices they give it to us. Which number is very close to your number?
very, very close to my number.
Is 6.0 working or close to your answer? Definitely no.
No.
28.35? No. 453.6? Definitely no. 0.4536? Definitely no. 1220? What do you think about this? Yes or no?
This one, I looked at it closely, Doc. I looked at it.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yes. And
I looked at it
also,
very closely.
and how do you know also? Look to your
My
starting
numbers.
amount. Your starting amount has only 3 significant figures. Now, at 1220, 1220, how many significant figure we have?
4.
No, it is a 3 because there's 0 and there is no decimal.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay,
I see.
so also 3. So you will put the 1220, your answer. And don't forget your unit.
I see what you're saying, Doctor. 24. I look at it now. I'm looking at the wrong
Uh-huh.
number. So 24 is closer to 20. Okay.
Okay, correct.
That's the only way I can do this. So
And especially we have it 24, it's not reached to the 25th, so we will run down, not run up.
run down. Round
Uh-huh.
down. Okay. 24 is closer to 20. So it stays like that.
Okay.
Now we have to put our symbol,
Yes,
which
the unit.
is how many grams did they lose? LB?
Oh, no, they give it to you in LB, but they are asking it in a gram.
Grams.
And also, Roxy, how do you know? Look at here to your question in the left. They cancel the pound with the pound. And what's left?
Oh, that's right. That's right,
Uh-huh.
Doctor. The
Yeah.
LBs. Forget we don't use them anymore. We use what's up in the numerator.
Yes.
Grams.
Okay. So you're done. Just submit your answer. Let's see if it's correct or not.
Correct.
Okay.
All right.
You're
Okay, I
good,
get a
right?
good idea. I'm gonna keep practicing. If not, I'll get
Yes.
my tutor John
Please.
Martin.
Please practice a lot, because look at here, chemistry
Let me.
need a lot of practice. Okay, guys. So please practice a lot. Just one more thing. I just want to get your permission. As I said, this video I recorded, and I'm sure your question or what we did here right now with the Chem 101 will help the other students. So I will ask your permission to post it in Canvas. Is that okay?
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm all right. People can hear my voice.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Roxy.
I don't have
Okay,
a problem with that.
Yeah. Okay. Good luck.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing it if, since your office hours
Yeah.
is done.
Okay. Okay.
All right. I'll come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Same time.
See you.
Have a good one.
You too. Enjoy.
Pleasure.
Okay, guys. So we will go back to what I was talking, and I think you. So me and Roxic, which is the students in our class, we were talking about how to use the Chem 101 assignment, and I think it was a good practice for you to see what we did, how we input the number, what's required from you. So please, guys, watch this video again until you will understand how you will use the Chem 101 app. Okay, so I will go back to Canvas to finish what I was talking about using our class. Okay, so as I said, the first things you need to do it is to sign up for the Chem 101 app. And here is the instruction, don't forget it. And you will use this link, you will click from here and you will sign up for Chem 101. By the way, you don't need any code. You will just register from them from there, and it will take you to the page of your class in Chem 101 app. Okay, then after your registration, you will start with module 1, which is starting with chapter 1 and chapter 2. In each module, we will cover 2 chapters. Okay, in each module, everything's the assignment, the discussion, all the other information will be the same, except we have different chapters. And of course, different assignment, different quiz exam. But other than that, it will be the same. So try to be familiar with module 1, what's required from you, and you will be okay for the rest of the class. Okay, so first of all, you will start with the overview and task list. Just read these. Okay, what the task you need to complete it in this module. When you're done with it, click on next. Then we have the module objective. Watch the video, guys. Okay, so here we have this video, and I will post this video also. I will post it in announcement so you can use it and watch it. Okay, click on next. Then we will start with the lecture note. Lecture note, we have a PowerPoint slide for chapter 1 and chapter 2, and we have a summary for each chapter as a PDF file. Start with the PowerPoint. Okay, so when you will click here or you want to download it, it's up to you. So you will review the material in the PowerPoint slide. Okay, after you're done, read the summary. So this is the summary of chapter 2. And we have some example. Okay, try to practice with it, guys. You're done right now with reviewing the lecture note, the PowerPoint, and the PDF file summary. Now click on next. It will take you right now to this video, the discussion video. This video, it is a video that I'm recording myself, talking about the chapter, practice with some examples. Okay, so try to watch it, review it, repeat it more than once if you need to understand it better. By the way, you can click here on the caption. Okay, if you want to see the what I'm saying in English. Okay, you're done with this one, click on next. Now, in this section, we have more videos. This video, I get it from the YouTube. So the first video, it was my video, recording myself, talking about the chapter practice and talk about the most important things in chapter 2. Now this video is usable for you also to practice. I get it from the YouTube. Try to review them. You done with them, click on next. This table here, it is the unit version, the unit and the conversion factor. So try to review it if you need it in your practice, in your assignment. So, and by the way, you can get it also from another source in Google. Just Google the unit conversion and it will give you any table, or you can use this table. Click on next. Now we start with the assignment. If you will go back to module, you can see we will start with module assignment. So we down with the lecture notes, the Zoom video discussion, the more video, the table of the conversion factor. Now we will start with the assignment. These are the assignment that's required from you to finish it for this chapter, for this module. You will start first of all with the chapter 2 homework. Click on this one. Okay, you need, look here, read guys, what I write. You need to finish the homework and the quiz in chem100 app. You need to finish them before the due date. The due date, it is August 29th. Okay, so you will click here. By the way, guys, don't worry about the point here is 1. Okay, it's not 1. Okay, it is a percentage. What I'm doing here, I'm using the percentage, so it's not 1 point. Okay, look at here. It takes you to the chem100 page. Click on homework. Look for chapter 2 and start practice and do your homework. And I think you already know how we will use the chem100 because me and Roxy, we were talking before how we will input them numbers, how we will submit our answers. So I think you are familiar right now with chem100 app. You done? Next, click on next. It will take you to the quiz page. The same things, download or go to the chem100 app, click on a quiz, look for, you will not see all these things, guys, because this is not started yet, the exam, okay? What you will see, only the one in the yellow bar, okay? The chapter 2 quiz, you will see chapter 2 quiz. Do the same things, okay? The same things what we did in the homework. Okay, you done. Click on next. Now we have the exam. Read the rule of the exam, okay? You prepare for the exam. The due date, don't forget it. It is August 29th. Click on chem100 app. It will take you here. Now for the exam, you need to look for the exam 1 in a quiz. So you will look for exam 1 on a quiz, okay? So here, it's not showing up right now in your page, okay, in chem100, because it's not started yet. It will start in 10 days from now. But that's what you will see. You will see the exam 1, chapter 1 and chapter 2, okay? Don't forget the time limit. It is 2 hours. We have 40 problems, okay, for that one. Be careful, guys, with the exam because, and the quiz also. When you will start, you have to finish your exam or the quiz during the time frame. You cannot start and leave like the homework. No, quiz and exam, you have to finish them during the time frame. So you have 2 hours. Let's say, for example, you start at 9 p.m. on that day. So you have to finish your exam for 2 hours, okay, and leave. You cannot leave and then come back. So no, that doesn't work. So be careful. Okay, so we're done with the exam. Now you will click on next. Okay, this is for using the Lapister, which is virtual online lab experiment. So look at here, you will load from here. By the way, I have to make another video for this one. I had a video and it was in YouTube actually, but the Lapister, they just remove it because of copyright. And I don't know why, because I already emailed them, explained to them there was no issue with the copyright because I was just teaching my students how to use the Lapister. So I think maybe they just removed it. They thought that's I don't know, like copyright strike, something like that. But I already emailed them. Whenever they will answer me and let my video go back to YouTube, I will post it. It's also useful video. But I think I already, by the way, when it will be completely set it up, loading, sorry, it will start your experiment. How you will use the Lobster, guys, go back to the module and see this video. Student, I think one student told me like it's not, the voice is not clear. So I will try to do it. The problem with the voice, because I'm recording what the Lobster saying, that's why it's not clear. So it's gonna not be a perfect voice, but I will try to work on it, see if I can fix some problem with it or not. As I said, this is how to use the Lobster virtual experiment, and maybe I will copy and paste it before starting with the experiment. It's useful for you. Okay, here is a video here. As I said, like it's not a YouTube video. It is another video. As I said, I will wait the YouTube to answer my email and see if they can return the video that I have it there. Okay, anyway, we're done with lab chemical safety, which is during through the Lobster. Click on next. You will go to the lab measurement online. For doing this lab, open the Word file, go through it, do all the work that is required from you, which is highlighted by yellow color. Then come here and submit your lab. Okay, there is a typo here as a Word document. So what you're gonna do here, you will download this one, this page. Okay, you'll download it, and you will work on the problem there, answer a question, doing calculation, do whatever it is required from you there, save it as a PDF file or a Word file. So look at here, let's see. So all the yellow highlighted, it's required from you. So for example, you will come here. Okay, measure the length of your friend or family member on the centimeter unit by using the metric stick. You will measure it and you will tell me what it is. Okay, you will fill this table, this sheet here. The length of your friend in centimeter, what it is, the number of significant figures in your measurement, what it is. Do all these, answer this question, okay? Then you will save it and you will come back and you will submit your file here. So what you're gonna do, you will start the assignment, file upload, you will upload your file. Where did you save it? You will upload it here and submit your assignment, and that's it. Okay, now, sorry. Now you're done with this. Let me just share the screen. Okay, now you're done with this one. Click on next. Now we have the discussion. In the discussion, we have each module a subject. So for example, in this discussion, we will talk about using the measurement in our life. Here is the goal. Here is what you need to post. Tell us, for example, number one, tell us the measurement that you are using in your life. How often, okay, there's a typo here. How often you are using these measurements? There's a typo. Let me just. Okay. How often are you using these measurements? Guys, don't forget the due date. Always pay attention for the due date, okay? Okay, then the replay, the same things. What you will do, you will come here, you will replay, okay? Click on replay. Okay, and you will type whatever it is here, and you will post your replay. And when you're done with it, you're done with all our assignment. Go back to module. Now, let's review what we cover here. Lab safety, the lab measurement, the using measurement in our live discussion. Here, after that, you're done with the assignment. After that, what do we have? Extra reading. This is chapter 1 and chapter 2 from the OER book that we have it or using it in this class. Here, the summary up, module wrap up, which is a summary of the chapter. Also, here, this is optional. The module 1 anonymous feedback. If you will click on it, if you want to give me a feedback, okay, I'm always try to make the class better and better for the students. So if you can give me a feedback here, I will appreciate it. If you don't want to give a feedback, it's up to you, but I will appreciate your feedback if there is something I need to work on it or develop it or make it better and better. Okay, then the last part in the module, it will be student launch. This is for chit chat with the other classmate if you want. Okay, so click on it here. If you want to share something with your students, okay, so you will just click on replay and you will post it. That's it. We're done with the module 1. After that, we will start with module 2. Everything it will be the same what I was talking, but with a different chapter. Hopefully, this video make it clear for you right now. Okay, if you still have any question, please guys join me in my office hour and I will help you. Okay, where is my office hour, guys? Look at here. Your instructor office hour. Oh, sorry. It is there. Click on about teacher. So look at here. You will click on the Zoom link and it will take you to the Zoom. I will be available Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, 12 to 1 p.m. online. Also, I encourage everyone to work with a tutor, guys. Each class will have a tutor. So I'm encouraging everyone to work with his tutor. Don't wait until the last minute, guys. Okay, please, guys, start from now. We have a lot of information we're covered in this class. Okay, so you need to start from now. Another things, guys, practice a lot. Okay, it is very, very important to practice a lot. It's not enough just reading the material in PowerPoint or even watching the video and that's it. No, you need to practice with your hand. Okay, grab a paper, grab a pen, okay, and start to practice. Okay, so this is that way you will be successful in the class. Believe me, you will be able to pass the class with a good grade. Okay, guys, so glad to have all of you in my class and I wish you a happy semester. Okay, be safe, guys, and work hard. Okay, guys, I will see you in another video.